If Lightroom is throwing error 107, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you the fastest way to fix it on Lightroom Desktop. This error is usually caused by a cloud sync problem, a login session issue, or a connection issue with Adobe servers. The good news is that most of the time, you can fix it in just a few simple steps without reinstalling anything. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes. First, check your internet connection. Open a website and make sure your connection is stable. If things feel slow or disconnected, switch from Wi-Fi to a mobile hotspot or go from hotspot back to Wi-Fi. Sometimes Lightroom Error 107 happens because the current network is blocking the sync process or interrupting the Adobe connection. Next, disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. VPNs and proxies can interfere with Adobe sign-in and cloud syncing, so turn them off completely and then try Lightroom again. If the error is related to a restricted connection, this alone may fix it. Now, open Lightroom Desktop and look at the cloud icon in the top right corner. This is where your sync status is controlled. Click the cloud icon, choose Pause, and wait a few seconds. Then click Resume. This forces Lightroom to reconnect to the cloud and refresh the sync session. If the issue was just a temporary sync glitch, this step often clears it right away. If error 107 is still showing, the next step is to sign out and sign back in. Open Adobe Creative Cloud, go to your profile, and sign out of your account completely. After that, restart your PC. Once the computer comes back on, open Creative Cloud again and sign in with the same Adobe account linked to Lightroom. This refreshes your login session and often fixes cloud-related errors that get stuck in the background. After signing back in, reopen Lightroom and let it connect for a moment. Give it time to resync your account, especially if you had just changed networks or restarted your session. In many cases, once the login is refreshed and the sync is restored, error 107 disappears. So to quickly recap, the fix for Lightroom error 107 is check your internet, switch networks if needed, disable VPN or proxy, pause and resume sync, then sign out and sign back in to Adobe Creative Cloud after restarting your PC. These steps are safe, fast, and usually enough to get Lightroom working again. If this tutorial saved you time, please like the video and subscribe for more Lightroom and Adobe troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.